This is a closer look at the Precision Jet Flame Lighter. This is a really cool item. We're going to be using this in an outdoor fire pit area. And I just wanted something that's going to be able to light the wood up really easy and have a really good flame. And this definitely checks all the boxes. I like the fact that this reminds me of like kind of like a larger flashlight. You could see here, you hold it in your hands. It's a pretty nice sized item. It's not too small, but it's not too big. It has some decent amount of weight to it, but it just works really well. It's got the safety on here right here. So you just turn it this way for the safety. And then this basically ignites it right here. You can see, so we're going to ignite it, and then I have the flame turned down all the way. This adjusts the flame here, so I'm going to turn the flame up right here. You can see it just has a really great flame on it. So see, it just gets very, you can see the bright redness here. It just turn it back down, turn it back up, but this thing just works really well. The butane goes in on the bottom right here. You just standard butane right here. It just goes in this way. Just fill it up. And it does go through a decent amount of butane if you use the torch all the way up. But what only thing I don't like about this, it doesn't have a refill gauge on here. So you just got to basically have the butane ready and just be ready to fill it up. But I do like the fact that it locks right here, so you can't just get it to go off. So you just unlock it and lock it. This one changes the up and down here of the flame, and it's just really cool. Just kind of reminds me, if you're a fan of Star Wars, like a lightsaber from the old days, just from the 80s, just looks really cool. But overall, I'm very pleased with this. Definitely recommend this. Like I said, I'm going to be using this for an outdoor fire pit area. Looks like it's going to do a really great job, and just a really cool looking item.